Sure, here's a scrambled style, natural sounding YouTube video script reviewing the B-2 Jet Teyara 2025, written without headings, just the flow of the video. Alright, let's dive straight into it. The B-2 Jet Teyara 2025 is finally here, and honestly, it's a beast. First impressions, sleek, futuristic, and absolutely commanding. That ultra shiny red finish, it doesn't just look premium, it feels like the future landed early. The exterior design has been upgraded with refined stealth geometry while maintaining the classic B-2 silhouette. It's more angular, more aggressive, but still as stealthy as ever. Now, getting up close, the detailing is mind-blowing. Every curve is purposeful. The material? Aerospace-grade composite with a glossy metallic finish that reflects like glass under lighting. And yes, it's not just for show. The new body improves radar deflection and heat dispersion. The red color isn't just aesthetic either. It's got a nano coating that adapts slightly under lighting conditions, especially in high altitude scenarios. Let's talk about the left side profile. It's all about aerodynamic efficiency. You can see the extended intake ports have been streamlined and that wing to body integration. Honestly, it looks seamless. You won't find a single exposed screw or gap. Everything is flush. Pure design. Mastery. Moving to the cockpit interior, and this is where it really gets wild. You're welcomed by a completely digital dash, no analog instruments in sight. Touch-sensitive OLED panels curve around the pilot's seat with a HUD that overlays real-time data straight onto the glass. The responsiveness is next level. Think fighter jet meets spaceship. It's not just futuristic, it's functional, intuitive, and pilot-friendly. Performance-wise? The Teyara 2025 comes equipped with a next-gen stealth propulsion system. Running quieter and cooler than its predecessor, it can cruise at subsonic speeds for long-range missions, but can also hit high bursts of speed when needed. Range has been extended by over 20% thanks to a more efficient fuel management system and lighter structural frame. The rear end design is stunning. Twin nozzles are recessed for stealth but look absolutely menacing. The engine glow has that electric blue tone when active, which is subtle but feels like sci-fi in real life. And somehow, they made the back of a jet look just as photogenic as the front. Now, in terms of usability, this isn't just for military use. It's a concept built for multi-role deployment. And honestly, it feels like a prototype for where aviation is headed in the next decade. And even though the B-2 Jet Teyara 2025 is still under limited deployment, the buzz it's generating is massive, and deservedly so. If you get the chance to see this thing in a showroom or at a tech expo, do it. Pictures don't do it justice. In person, it's a masterpiece of both engineering and design. That's the B-2 Jet Teyara 2025, a bold step into the future of flight. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-tech reviews like this one. Let me know if you want a voiceover friendly version, short version, or translated version as well.